This look is scheduled for one tutorial. Introducing to you the broke beauty guru, the broke bougie bitch, the ring queen, Lexa Rose! Yay! Hey guys, it's me. Welcome to another episode of Wrestling with Beauty. Today is going to be another just rando glam look, only because I've kind of been busy with school and with trying to get my stuff off the ground and trying to think of ideas. But I just literally finished one of my terms. It was a really hard term, only because it was just something a little foreign and unknown, but I did it. I managed, and excuse me, here we are. But I'm just gonna do a random look. I'm gonna be using my Huda Beauty Amethyst and Emerald Obsessions. I just purchased them. I've been wanting to get them for a while. I'm pretty sure everybody's got something to say about some makeup artists, so I'm gonna try them out just to say that I did. So without further ado, I'm gonna start priming my face and doing my eyebrows. Off camera, what I'm gonna use to prime is this new No Problem primer from Touch and Soul that I got with my BoxyCharm subscription. If you don't have a BoxyCharm subscription, you really should get one. You get over $100 worth of products for only $21 a month. I mean, you could upgrade to a BoxyLux, but you only get that every 3 months, and it's like, why would I wait? I'll get it eventually. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we've got our eyebrows on, our eyes are primed, and we're going to get started with our Huda Beauty. We're just going to start with a crease, and we're going to grab a fluffy brush. I'm just going to grab any old fluffy brush. This won't work. It's my B&H one, and it's alright, but we're going to just go right into this light green color, and we're just going to put that all over the crease. Okay, so now that we've got that in, we're going to define the crease a little bit, and we're just going to go into this dark green, and we're just going to put just a little bit. Okay, so I was talking to my buddy Jojo, Jordan. He's the juice guy that works here. And we were just talking about, he said that I should do a Cody Rhodes look. And I think I should definitely do one as a throwback to when he was Stardust. But also, kind of, tie in his American Nightmare gimmick and AEW, his, wonderful, beautiful wrestling brainchild that he created. So I'm gonna see if I can do that this weekend. So if not Saturday, I'll definitely do it on a Sunday. So I don't know when this is gonna go up, but yeah, just stay tuned. I'm gonna see if I can, I got liner brushes now, so I'll be able to do it. Anyways, next step we're gonna do is we're gonna go right into this brown color, and we're not gonna use too much because we're gonna blend the purple into it. So we're just gonna put this on the outer corners and blend it a little bit to define the crease more. Okay, so now we're going to go into our Amethyst Obsessions, and we're going to go into this really dark maroon burgundy color, and we're going to throw that right where we put the dark brown. So now we're going to grab a clean, fluffy brush, and we're just going to kind of blend all this together. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to kind of go in to the outer corner, and we're going to go right into this dark purplish kind of color, and this one. Actually, you know what? This one works a little bit better. So we're going to go into this one, and we're just going to kind of build in the inner corner, or the outer corner. Okay, now for the inner corners, we're going to use this color, which is kind of a light pink shimmery color. We're going to put that right in in. Gad's brain, you see the pigment on that shadow? North. Ew. Qué rico. Ay.
And Alice Black is just like the best thing ever that's come from the
But I'm just here so I don't get fined. That's Alistair Black.
Wow.
Okay, so I've been using my Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen. Back to lighting. Okay, so I'm gonna have to rush this a little bit because Jordan decided, well, me and him started talking wrestling, and when we talk wrestling, that's it. So we're just gonna get right into our Fenty Beauty Pro filter in 250 and just put that all over the face. Okay, so we're gonna go right into contouring using our Tarte Shape Tape in Fair Neutral and Tan Sand. Now we get our beauty sponge and blend. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab my airspun powder and I'm just gonna set all of this. Okay, so next we're gonna just contour the rest of the face. Okay, for the under eye, we're just gonna keep it simple. We're just gonna go right back into this light color and this purplish color, and we're just gonna put it right underneath. Okay, for highlight, we're just gonna go into this, and we're gonna go right into ultraviolet, which is also called amethyst. How convenient. We're just gonna do the inner corners and the brow bone. Next is our NYX Cosmetic Fard Ombre in Sweet Spring. Our Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. So you know how we did purple in the brow bone and the outer corner, right? So what we're gonna do is we are gonna go right into a more emerald color for the cheeks and for the upper brow bone. Okay, for lashes, we're gonna go right into our Urban Decay Perversion Bigger, Blacker, Badder mascara. Okay, we're gonna line our waterline with our Lorac Front of the Line Pro liner in black. Okay, for lips, I'm gonna keep it pretty simple. We're gonna go with the Patrick Star MAC crossover in Sweet Mama Star. And then we're gonna top it off with Lime Crime. Don't know the name of this one because there's no label on it, but we're just gonna go with this one. And this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry, it seemed like I was in a bit of a rush and stuff. It's just that there's winter break and I wanted to actually like film an episode this week. I did put up a compilation of all my makeup tutorials, but apparently YouTube thinks it's a duplicate, so they rejected it. So if you go on my Facebook page / Lexa Rose, or is it Ring Queen Lexa Rose? One of those. You will find the compilation up there featuring music from Mel Gibson of the 4/5 Connection. It's his own record label that he's been working with. So check out the tunes, enjoy it. Please feel free to like, subscribe. All his information will be down below, because a lot of the music that was on the compilation is also going to be featured here. So with that being said, ooh, okay. This has been, you know, a pretty purplish emerald glam look. I don't know what I was going for. I just did it just to do it and try out the Huda Beauty emerald and amethyst obsessions. So all that noise that you're hearing is me putting my stuff away because I'm about to start work in like a couple minutes. Actually, I'm 11 minutes on the clock. So thank you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell so you can be notified when new episodes come up. If you want to help a broad out and want to see more content and more videos, feel free to donate to my PayPal and everything like that. And go away, Jordan, go away. He's bothering me in the middle of my tutorial. No, you're not on camera, but I am talking about you. He's Scott Hall. We had a discussion earlier today. And he asked me if he was Hall or Nash, and I said he's Hall, so yeah. Anyways, this is the Ring Queen Lexa Rose, and you've been watching another episode of Wrestling with Beauty, and god damn, I'm feeling good today on a Friday. So, love you guys.